Come on everyone, what's the matter with you? Okay everyone, you can stop now. Winnie the Pooh, what is going on here?
Sure, turn back to normal.
Really?
No, 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 no. My pufferfish kids, it's ruined. All the animals have gone mad. Why?
Oh dear, Pufferfish 10 has back to normal. Yarr.
Hooray, I'm out of held back.
Rusty, have you seen Pufferfish friends through the big rock between the kid zone drain and Annie?
Is your broken down in coronavirus?
No Rusty, first we will ask the cartoon creatures to pick up hats from a lockdown.